Finally, guys, we have putting together all the food that we cooked with Chef Comfort. Grab a seat with some chill drink and enjoy. We are coming to cook the jollof, so we blended onions and carrots together to get a unique spice for our jollof. We also blended some garlic, ginger, and onions together to get another unique spices together. So these are the spices that we use in cooking: our onions, garlic, tomato paste, tuna flakes, pepper, rosemary. You can see them, bay leaf. You can see them in the video, and our dry spices. Whilst you're doing this, our pan is on fire. She says she's cooking jollof. Now we added our oil, then our bay leaf and rosemary. We let it steam for a while before we added our onions and our tomato paste. Onions were very cooked before we added the tomato paste, and we're going to allow it to cook as well. After we added our fresh tomatoes, then our spices, we make sure everything is well cooked before we add the next one. We washed our rice twice before we added it into the stew. Let it steam for a while before we added our water. So we realized our water wasn't enough, so we added a little bit more based on the measurements of the rice. The last thing we added was our canned beef. Our rice is ready to eat. If you're still watching this video up to this time, then I know you like it, so please give us a thumbs up. The next thing is our chicken. Pan grilled chicken with a jollof. You cannot eat the jollof just like that. You need something to eat with it, a protein, and that is what we're coming to give you. Please subscribe if you haven't done that, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Now this is our chicken breast, and we're gonna season it with salt and black pepper. Then we cover it, put it in the fridge for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we bring it out. Then we're gonna add our milk to it. Then we'll put it in our flour. Note this, whilst we're doing this, our pan is on fire because we need our pan to be very, very hot. From the flour, we send it back to the milk. Then we'll put it in our pan. Your pan has to be very, very hot with a little oil. You can hardly see the oil in the pan. Then you turn and turn and turn till it's cooked. Voila, we're done. It looks delicious and tastes delicious as well. Try this and let us know. Don't forget to comment and give us a thumbs up. So this is our overripe plantain. We're coming to blend it together with our Kelewele spice. We'll add it in the description, so don't worry. And our grounded pepper. We blend it together with no water till it's smooth. Now we added our flour, 1 tablespoon of our baking powder, 125 ml of milk. Everything depends on how soft and thick you want it. We fry it, then we're done. It looks good. In making our Oreo ice cream, we made everything inside the Oreo biscuit pack. You crack it inside, you add your milk and your chocolate, put the stick in, freeze it, and you're good to go. Now we are coming to make our curry powder with our coriander and cumin, then turmeric. So we are adding 1 tablespoon of coriander and cumin, then 2 tablespoons of our turmeric powder. We mix it together, then we are good. This is so easy to make. Just look at it. So this is what we bought from the store, and what I'm putting on the plate is what we just made. Look at this. Please subscribe.